So, for those folks who have been arrested for DUI, their first time, this is a strange trip. You've got two separate things that are going to happen to you, and you've got to act fast. So let me explain. The first thing that's going on is you might be battling with the DMV because they may have suspended your license for 6 months if you blew over a .08, or they may have suspended it for a whole year if you refuse to blow. I recommend people refuse to blow. Either way, that license suspension, your license is gone for 6 months to a year. You got to deal with this within 10 days of your arrest. Either fight the suspension, tell the DMV I want my full license back, or say, give me a hardship. I don't mind driving around on a hardship. So let's say you don't want to fight it and you're asking the DMV for a hardship. You can't just go ask them. Got to enroll in a DUI class before asking for a hardship. Got to do all this within 10 days. So it's got to happen fast. The next thing that's going to happen to you on a DUI case, get away from the suspension DMV stuff. You're going to criminal court. You got the judge, you got the bailiffs, you got the guns with the bailiffs, the airport security, and you've got arraignments, docket soundings, plea negotiation conferences, pretrial, status hearings, trial management, all these court dates, fancy words that mean nothing except I'm going to show up at your court date or somebody like me, and we're going to tell the judge what's happening on your case. That's it. I recommend, of course, a little self-serving. Get yourself an attorney quickly. Let us fight with the DMV. Let us fight with the prosecutor and judge. You don't even have to go to court most of the time. We go to court for you. It's a beautiful thing. I know you're going to love it. I love it. This is what I signed up to do. So once you've addressed all that, I know you're going to ask me, all right, I got my attorney. I'm good to go. What do I expect from here? Good question. I expect you're going to take the DUI school. The DUI class is 12 hours. Everyone pretty much takes it. And part of the class is you got to get evaluated to see if you need treatment. I don't think this is shocking to anyone. This thing might be a little rigged because almost everyone needs treatment. 12 weeks, 18 weeks, 26 weeks of treatment. It varies. Once you're done with that class, how your case is going to go from there is tough to say, but it usually goes well because first offenses, we have some great programs in Central Florida where your case can get dropped, dismissed. It can be reduced to reckless driving. Lots of good things can happen to first timers on this. Do not lose hope. I think this thing will work out. You just got to be patient.